Hi guys, I'm watching a skilled Bengali chef cook a chicken madras. Put the oil, tomato paste, garlic, mixed powder, chili powder, kasuri methi, and some of the special madras paste which she prepares, which I've informed is lots of tomato puree, mixed powder, tamarind, a bit of Misty, and that's cooked, and lemon juice, and that's cooked for quite a while. Brings out a lovely flavour. I've just had a little taste of it before, and it was amazing. So yeah, in with the pre-cooked chicken. I suppose if you've pre-made the paste, it saves on cooking time.
Otherwise it gets stuck on the spice and the paste and all the time.
Yeah. Now he's using a thick version. Normally use he thins it down normally, but it's out of service hours and he's very kindly using what he's got currently. But normally he'd add double that up with water. I've got some watered it down now then. Quick mix. Just whack the heat up. I've got more in the pan now, so you need more heat to cook it. Coriander, of course. Yeah, I'll do the same. That looks wonderful. So we'll come back in a minute or two once that's cooked down. So there we are, so about a minute or two later, I'm going to reduce it down further. You can see on the side, the edge of the pan, all that caramelised stuff for me. Lots of flavour. There's all the spices and things ready to hand. You can see you've got heat full on. It's great. Started to pick up very nicely. I noticed before, just before I started videoing, that the amount of oil that the chef put in was quite low actually, which is interesting to see. And I'm dying to taste this when it's done. So I'm at the East Takeaway in Ashton-Under-Lyne on Old Street. The proprietors and chef have kindly let me in to have a look round and see what they're doing. And they've also started doing some take it home. What do you call them? Dine at home. So East at home, you can actually buy the chilled versions of these in small or large quantities at a great price. So we can serve up now. That looks perfect. Splendid. Just look at that. Right. I normally let it cool down a little bit, but I'll give it a taste. Oh yeah. Wow, that's really good. It's really tomatoey, which I personally really like. And the flavours are really deep. That's very, very good madras. Let's try a little bit of this chicken. Very tender. Oh. Beautifully tender chicken. That's absolutely excellent. Thank you very much, Chef Mohammad, for cooking that. Thank you.